All right, next is Happiness Awaits Oversized Cardigan. Oversized cardigans, you guys are probably like, oh my gosh, I was surprised when I'm like, how many cream oversized cardigans could I buy this year for us? A lot, apparently, because I love them. This is a newbie. Oh my gosh, these heels are different heights. This is how people fall over. So oversized, really comfortable, brand new tonight. So we have had some other oversized cardigans. This one is different. It is a heavier weight, fleece lined, really soft, and just a good go-to. So this is available in sizes small, medium, large, extra large, 1X, 2X, comma, 2X, 3X, comma, period. And it's fantastic. So really nice thickness, really pretty color, and then has that fun curved hemline. I love that on this one. Nice wide open sleeves, so it makes it easy to layer over whatever you want. And of course that drop shoulder, nice, like gigantic. I feel like I could put a 2-liter in this pocket.
How many burritos?
How many burritos? Oh, look at you guys can see, like, this is a really big pocket. You could for sure put some massive things in there. So this is a really cute one to store all your things, but it is very comfortable. And it does run roomy again. Like we are seeing this oversized roomy thing. So size flexing will be an option. It is open front. So if you would like it to not be so roomy and oversized, you can certainly size down. It's going to be totally up to you if you would like to size down so it is not so roomy. 70% polyester, 30% cotton. It's just superb, nice and thick. And then the back too. I like that back detail with how the, what is this called? Like the seams, where all the seams go.
I don't know. Where's your mom?
I don't know. But where all the seams are. I really like that. I don't know where mom is, but I don't have time to chit chat with her anymore because we got to get moving here.
Okay.
Okay. Next up is the By Your Side Paisley sweater. This is also available in the 4 sizes. I am in the small, medium, and this is so pretty. This is one that Christine kept saying, like, I love that sweater.
I need that one.
I need that one. So I'm in the small medium, again, size 8 in the small medium. Lots of stretch to this sweater. It is unbelievably soft. And I really like the fit. So it has a slightly relaxed fit, but I wouldn't really say oversized. So I would say stay in what your size range is. Don't size down. Don't size, like, there's just no need to size flex in this one. If you are that medium, or you would be in the small, medium, or medium large, go with the, like, if you're a medium and you sometimes go up to a large, then go with that one. If you're a medium, but you go to the small other times, I think that's where I would stick with. But there are also measurements for these on the site that you can reference. But nice sleeve length on this, extremely soft. Love this. What color would you call it?
Well, Sue said butterscotch, and I think
I like that. Yeah. 74% acrylic, 22% polyester, 4% spandex, and it is so stinking soft, for real. Like, no layer, no undershirt, no nothing to guard yourself. It's so soft. And then I just love the back as well. That large scale paisley print on here is really cool. I had 2 new shoes on today. I don't know what the names are. The North Park
in tan. And the Mara in sand.
Okay, so let's talk about the North Park first, because we've had this shoe in a different colorway. So this is the North Park. These are 2 different styles to have on at one time, but that's okay. The North Park is a really fun, chunkier boot, and I love this one. It is furry, lined on the, I guess I don't have them both on, I can show you this one. It is furry lined on it. I love that detail. And what's super cute about these is that you can wear them up like so, and they have a little button and a snap closure here. Or you can fold these down and you can wear it cuffed down, and you can wear them, change them out depending on what your outfit is and how you want to style it that way, or that day. So you can do this either way. These run very true to size. I'm an 8.5 or 9. I stick with the 8.5 in these. Either way, it's really stinking cute and comfy. So depending on what pants you have on, depending how casual or your outfit is, you can wear it either way. But I love them styled both ways. I love them up like so, or folded down. They're so cute. So those are launching today in the tan, you said, right? Is this one?
Yes. That
Okay.
North Park is tan.
And then the other one you said is the Mara. Mara?
Yes.
Mara. In sand. Okay, so this is the Mara. This is a newbie for us. In sand is the colorway. And this is a really pretty boot. It has like an almond shaped front, even maybe ever so slightly more pointed than almond. And then that gorgeous laser cut all the way through. And again, this one all the way through. I mean, all over, all about, not through. Because again, on this one, you can't see through it. It's fully lined on the inside, so you can't see through that. Goring again at the top to help with a little bit more room in your calf, and full zipper length. These feel like a suede, so they're like a suede finish, and just a really good neutral. Height-wise, I think they're really similar to that last pair, the stripy that I had on. A little bit more snug in the calf. These would not be a wide calf-friendly boot, but they're really cute. And true to size, I'm in the 8.5. This is the size that I would stick with. I'm gonna wear a thicker sock, I would go up to the 9, but otherwise stay true to size. And heel height on these is really good. It's maybe 2 inch. I think it's just like a 2-inch heel. It doesn't, but extremely comfortable and not very high. So the North Park is actually higher. I can feel as I'm standing here, like